All right, so the FAA has the Airman Certification Standards, and all in the general section there is a bunch of stuff about paint. Now you have an option. You can either turn around and have the students paint like a panel and just like learn how to mix paint in this very like coupon-y, cute little controlled environment, or you actually give them real-world experience by painting actual airplanes. So that's the so what on that from the program side, is that you're giving them actual experience on painting actual airplanes. All right. Then on the Tango Flight side of it is that they're a nonprofit, so they need to raise as much money as they possibly can. Well, painted airplanes obviously sell more than unpainted aircraft. So if we can turn around and paint the aircraft for them, then we're helping our partners out by letting them be a little bit more lucrative, so they can expand their program as far as they can get it going. Then on the college side of it, it makes fiscal sense because we have to pay a curriculum fee to Tango Flight to keep doing our dual credit program. Well, by simply painting their aircraft, they're going to end up making more money than they would with the curriculum fee. So we basically came to an agreement where they wouldn't charge us a curriculum fee if we paint their aircraft. And all of a sudden you have this very symbiotic relationship across like all three components, that the students get an extra certification, which they also, we're getting them ACAS certified, so aerospace coding training certified by doing this, by simply painting real aircraft, adding a little bit of extra training to it, and then it all kind of works out.
Texarkana Regional Airport has been working with a large aircraft painting company that's interested in coming here and bringing 150 jobs, and most of those jobs are going to be aircraft painters.
Oh, well, we painted the body of the RV-12 today. We had Aiden up under the plane spraying. I sprayed over the top part, it was pretty cool though.
What I did today was mix paint for Briggs and Aiden. They did all the spraying. One did underneath the plane and one did the outside of the plane.
A couple days ago we started with the primer. We got the primer on, and today we did the top coat. It went really well though. It was no problems, no kinks. It's really easy stuff. You just got to make sure you're holding the paint gun like 6 inches away from the paint the whole time, or from the middle the whole time.
So the students are working on the Bowie County Sheriff's Bill 206. The county's a public entity just like us, so there's a lot of expense when it comes to aircraft maintenance, specifically with paint. Paint's really, really expensive. So you have a kind of a mutual benefit if we paint a live aircraft. The students get a hands-on experience. Meanwhile, a nonprofit and or a government entity like Bowie County can benefit from us just applying paint to it. So both sides win, and both sides leverage the resources that are afforded to us effectively.
We're very excited that the program has started and has started to produce students. Obviously, we have about 2 years before we're going to have that company up and running, which gives us enough time to really get the number of people that we will need. But it also allows us to have partnerships in the meantime with Falcon Jet and Triumph and Aspire, other companies that are in Arkansas and the Texas areas that are in high demand looking for pilots and for mechanics, that we're hoping that we can bring them right here.